Today we're going to make fairy bread. So first we need a chopping board. Next we need 2 slices of bread. And next we need some butter. Next we need some fairy sprinkles. And now we need a butter knife. First put the butter in a microwave for 20 seconds to soften the butter. Next put the next get the butter, scoop the butter with the sharp side of the knife and spread it on both sides of the bread. One side of each bread. Then pour some fairy sprinkles on the plate. After that, get the bread and flip it onto the fairy sprinkles. The buttered side of the fairies, the buttered side of the bread. Finally, you can eat it.